Srimati Rajkumari Basu from Howrah for the category Prisoners Issues.
একবার জোরে হাততালি হয়ে
Srimati
যাক।
Rajkumari Basu, আপনাকে অনুরোধ করব
শ্রীমতী রাজকুমারী বাসু from Howrah. Okay? রাজকুমারী বাসু, শ্রীমতী রাজকুমারী বাসুকে আমরা ডেকে নেব মঞ্চে। Let's have a look at this special video.
Dr. Rajkumari Basu, a PhD clinical psychologist, retired as an associate professor from Loreto College in 2014 and has since focused solely on counseling. She is a 70-year-old visiting clinical psychologist at Resurrection, Snayu Beacon and Get Well Polyclinic. She is also a member of the Indian Association of Clinical Psychology, an academy counselor at Muralidhar Girls College, IGNOU, and a member of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Committee in South 24 Parganas. In August 2023, she had the opportunity to visit a correctional home, and after meeting convicts and learning about their life issues, she decided to begin counseling them. Following her request, a psychiatrist provision was also allowed because many of them were psychotic in nature, and desperately needed psychiatric help. Dr. Rajkumari Basu on stage.
And ladies and gentlemen, we'd now like to invite on stage Amra Dekenebo to give away the awards. Ami ebar Dr. Cholechi, Dr. Supriyo Basu and Prerna Gupta from Sabri. Dr. Supriyo Basu and Prerna Gupta from one of the directors of our Sabri helpage. Ma'am, please at the center of the stage. Prerna, can you please come on the stage to hand over, Doctor? And there's this beautiful trophy and a certificate of appreciation, respect and love from Sabri helpage. Prerna, can you please hand over the certificate of appreciation to ma'am and the trophy? Come on, everybody.
Trophy দিকে যতবার তাকাচ্ছি দেখে মুগ্ধ হয়ে যাচ্ছে. It's a wonderful trophy. Not the usual ones that we see being handed over to awardees. It's a beautiful one, a very different one, and no doubt carries the signature of Sabri helpage.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Prerna. Thank you. I would now request ma'am to say a few words. And how are you feeling tonight?
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to give a big thank you to Aarti ma'am. And behind Aarti ma'am, there are other two people in front of all of you. This award I dedicate to my parents, definitely. And after that, the inspiration has come from Alokananda. And when I was in school, when I was in college, I have seen how hard she has worked with the prisoners. And I think most of you know about Nigella, who is a star today. There was a day when he was in prison. Now, my interest in counseling is from the very beginning. I was a student and I chose to study psychology. In college, I again chose psychology, and in Loreto College, as you know, I've spent years together. Now, finally, when I retired, I joined different organizations as well as clinics to do counseling, and finally, I got an opportunity with the help of Imran Zaki and ADG Sanjay Singh ji. They have opened the doors for me to get into and contact directly face-to-face prisoners and talk to them, and it's a different world altogether. Until unless you meet them, we have a very, image is very bad about the prisoners. But when we look deep into them, when we communicate with them, we find that they also have a heart which is crying today for their family, for their children, and they also want to live a good life. I'm sad to say that some of them in our prison, especially presidency where I am working, they had mental illness. It was not detected. And as a result of that, they have done a crime. They are not criminal basically. So we have mental issues in society and it is not detected. If we can detect issues of mental health at an early stage, I think 50% of the crimes will not be there in the society. So my sincere effort is I'm in a very small way, I'm trying to interact one-to-one. As I'm doing counseling, we cannot have any picture. I cannot show what work I'm doing, but I can only feel that work when I go on Fridays or Tuesdays. They wait for me. আপনার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছিলাম, আপনি আগের সপ্তাহে আসেননি কেন? And finally, yesterday only, I have given a work, embroidery work, to a prisoner who used to do embroidery, zari work, etc. And he is sitting inside and without any drawing, only with silk thread and needle, he has done a beautiful pattern. Probably in future, I would like to show it to all of you. Thank you so much, Aarti, once again. And I really, really, from bottom of my heart, I feel to say namaskar to your parents. You are beautiful, beautiful soul. Hardly we find such soul in society nowadays. Thank you.
You know, the way you mentioned, you know, to ma'am's parents, I mean, you also have a beautiful soul, which is why you know, you recognize souls. And you know, this is what we are doing. Sabri Helpage, we are recognizing the heroes, the unsung heroes we don't usually talk about. And I think that's a beautiful thing. This was the last award, but I would not lose the opportunity of walking the ramp with ma'am. So, okay, yes, this is my moment. Ma'am has told me to walk the ramp with yes, this is yours. All right. Come on, let's give a big hand to ma'am. একবার জোরে হাততালি হোক ওনার জন্য। Yes. Okay, sorry. Okay, someone should shake this moment, yeah? Thank you. Let's do this.
Ladies and gentlemen, though the event night comes to an end, but this actually is the beginning of the next
Ladies and
chapter.
gentlemen, one big round of applause for her. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're an inspiration. Thank you.